In this video, you'll learn how to create a weekly planner in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a structured planner to help organize your weekly tasks effectively. Begin by navigating to Notion in your web browser. Once you arrive at the Notion homepage, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you will see your workspace. To create your weekly planner, locate the option to add a new page, usually found in the left sidebar. Click on the New Page button, which will prompt you to name your page. Choose a clear and descriptive title for easy access later. Next, decide on the layout of your planner. You can opt for either a list format or a calendar layout, depending on your preference. If you select the list format, consider using headings for each day of the week. Alternatively, if you prefer a calendar view, you can create a new calendar database. This choice will influence how you organize and visualize your tasks for the week. This initial setup is crucial as it lays the foundation for your planner. After establishing your page layout, it's time to add sections for each day of the week. If you are using headings, type out each day, such as Monday, Tuesday, and so forth. If you choose a table layout, create a new row for each day. Under each day, list your tasks. It is important to keep these tasks realistic and manageable to avoid overwhelming yourself. By distributing tasks evenly across the week, you ensure a balanced approach to your workload. Once you have populated your planner with tasks for each day, remember that this is an ongoing tool. At the start of each week, review your planner to assess your progress. Make any necessary updates to reflect change in priorities. It can be helpful to mark completed tasks visibly, perhaps by striking them through or changing their color. If there are tasks that you were unable to complete, move them to the next week, ensuring they remain visible and prioritized. This practice will help maintain a consistent workflow and enhance your productivity. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.